Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will talk about pricing and discount, especially in our retail. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to my USRT legal entity. Okay, I'll wait. So I'm into my USRT legal entity. So what I will do, I will go to my retail module here and let me collapse. Okay, so you see here we have this price simulator. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, I will give a name here. I will say test. Now here we need to create a channel ID. Okay, so this channel ID will already be set up inside this channel one form where we'll have multiple store IDs. So for now let me go with this Atlanta. Okay, and let me save this. Okay, all right, I think this is all good now. Okay, yeah, now what I will do, I will let me collapse here. Okay, so I'm going to add this item. Okay, 001. So as soon as I will add this item in my this price simulator form, so let me go here. So you can see the price is coming as 69.99. okay, now this price would be probably coming from our release product sales price. So if I go here, or let me open this in a different let me go to my release product, product information management, release product, and item is 0001. okay, I'm into my this form. So as soon as I will open this form, and if I will come into my cell tab here, so you can see the price is 69.99. okay, all right, now what I am going to do, I'm going to create a trade agreement first. Okay, so I can come here, I can first of all check my trade agreement effect. Okay, so I will go to my retail again. So let me open a new tab here. Let me again go to my retail and commerce, and here we have this trade agreement. Let me open this. I can create a new here. So I'll select my retail one. I can go to line. So you see the default relation here. Okay, so let me add my item here. So I will say it as 001. So what I'm going to do, mountain, so I'll make the pricing as 100, not 100, like let me decrease the price. So if you see the price 69.99, so let me make it 60 here. So I can save here and let me post this. Okay, as soon as it will be posted, so if I will try to, okay, now if I'll try to refresh it here, okay, it have not yet changed. So what I'm going to do, let me update something here. So you see, as soon as I updated this one, my price changed to my 60 sales price. Okay, I can remove this side for now. All right, so this is how the retail price will be changed based on our trade agreement. But now let's discuss about the price adjustment as well. So for that, what I will do, I will go to my retail module again. Okay, so we have price adjustment here. I will click on new. I will create a new price adjustment. I can say that test price adjustment, and Here I will add line. I will select my that product, write 0001. Here we have different calculation, okay, either unit price, either on the amount or percentage. Okay, let me put 10% discount here and I can save this. Okay, now if I go here, initially, now our initial price, like basically our sales price that we see in release product, right, it was 69.99, somewhere around that. Then let's say that we change the pricing to 60. We want all the customer to have this 60 price. Additionally, let's say we also want to give 10% discount. Okay, so 60 minus 10% of 60, nothing, it is 6, right? So 60 minus 6 would be 54, right? So now the pricing should be 54. So if I go here, I need to enable it, but before that I might need to link it to a price group. So okay, all right, so I will put it in my disable mode only. Okay, we need to add a pricing group here. So first of all, let me go here and see. If you see, the applicable pricing group are this small stores and RP Atlanta. So I can go to my price group. I can search for that mall price group here. Okay, all right, let me save this. As we have seen Atlanta, right? So that's why it is coming under this one. So if I will come back here, now let me try to enable this. Okay, and save this. The discount has been added to batch queue. Okay, so the status is changed to validated as well. Now what I can do, I can come here and let me try to change. Okay, I will again remove this. So the batch job will be created here. So you can copy this and you can search here. So currently this batch job is not up and running, so that's why I cannot see an additional 10% discount, but I hope your system should be already up and running, so you will able to see that discount. Okay, if I save this, let me see. Okay, so my batch job is not running. Okay, and I want to show you one more thing here. So you can also apply the discount on the similar way. So for example, you can go to your retail, you can go to your all discount. So here what you can do, you can simply, so there are different types of discount. Let me go with the simple one. Here also we need to do the same thing. For example, I can say test, something like this. And here also you can add your line. You can select your item. Okay, and again, how much, let me do amount of, so let me subtract 10 here. I will save this. Here also you will need to attach it to a pricing group first. So let me attach that mall pricing group here. I will save. I can come back, and now I can enable this. Okay, as soon as I will enable this, save. So batch job will be created. So if we'll go here and if you'll search for this particular batch job here, is 03, it should be there. Okay, process commerce discount. So this batch job is somehow not triggering. So now if you will do any kind of changes here, for example, let me pick this, so you will see changes in your pricing here. And I think that is all I want to cover in this video. We have seen 3 topics. We have seen the sales price, how the trade agreement, price adjustment and discount will change, Again, I cannot show you practically because I have the limitation. My batch shop is not up and running in my system, so that's why I cannot see the additional discount except a trade agreement. Thank you for watching this video.